Objective: to study about basic practices of crop production. India is primarily an agricultural country. Most of our people earn their living from agricultural produce. Water is one of the important requirements for growing crops. Farmers mainly depend on rain for water. However, the monsoon may fail at times. In the present-day world of scientific and technological advancements, a farmer should not be left at the mercy of monsoon. We should have an arrangement which should help a farmer with water all the year round. We should also be able to get more and better yield from the fields. This is achieved by only adopting better agricultural practices and better farm management. The farmer performs several activities or tasks over a period of time for cultivation of crops. They are called agricultural practices. They include preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting, and storage. Preparation of soil. It involves loosening and tilling the soil. It includes plowing and watering. Sowing. It is the process of putting seeds in the soil. Adding manure and fertilizers. The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients to improve production of the crops and fertility of the soil are called manure and fertilizers. Irrigation. Supply of water to crops at appropriate intervals is called irrigation. Protection from weeds. Weeds are the unwanted plants that grow along with the crops. Its removal is must for the better growth of the crops. These can be controlled by spraying certain chemicals called weedicides such as 2,4-D. Harvesting. The cutting of crop after it is matured is called harvesting. Storage. If the crop grains are to be kept for longer time, they should be safe from moisture, insects, and rats. In addition to these regular agricultural practices, one more agricultural practice called rotation of crops is undertaken. This can be done by growing different crops alternately. Example, growing wheat in one season and the legumes in the next season. It helps to improve the fertility of soil and increase the crop yield.